See? That's why them say, you know. What them say? What them say, you know, for dash, eh? You know, for dash your old for new. Because this, at the bridge, then they actually condemn before. And see it there now? I them actually have to use because the road where them claim to say them make, I break off down there so now. And look, the bridge we're not supposed to dip on, I to dip on now, see? So them want to go on there so. Yeah man. So that I go on now. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so today I make a drive through the road. Give you guys an update as to what I go on the road. If the road them clear. Just a follow-up video. Yeah man, so right now we're there. What's your name? We call it, it's a found out in a Balcarres, Portland, you know. So it's a Portland Western in the valley, Buff Bay Valley. So I make a drive through. So I go on school out and up around here now, DJ.
Yeah man, it's more school open from Monday, but they close at midnight.
Oh, okay. So we want to sit if because we know the road they close off to Burnhamwood Primary School, so the block. So we want to see how them make it out too. If school start back up there. Just want to see what I go on. So far, the road clear.
It's probably a school can go on up.
Well, I could see then. No? Well, maybe then I can go use up on church or so, we don't know.
You can put some of them on avocado.
Yeah, so some of them can go on different school.
That they have to go when the bridge cut off out Spring Yard.
Oh.
We have go teach field and Portland Pony and have to go Portland. Them have been up above me and National and something. Send me inside.
Oh, well, not no bad. At least them have some alternative backup plan. Better than flu and digits whenever I'm a backup plan for we. Blue and darkness, no signal. No signal we have. Yeah, so we reach a labile now. So persons who know labile. Yeah,
post office open.
Yes, the post office open today now, yeah man. Yeah. They're pretty nice, beautiful day, you know. Just get some rain. We know we soon get some more. Pure rain and fall for a week, you know. Reach to Molitala now. We are heading in Molitala now. Yeah. So today is what? Wednesday. Today what? Wednesday? October, January 12. Today I'm brother birthday, you know. Supposed to do the wow, get 3 signal figure and bless him up on the merge strong still. See him here. Which part Silvile Bridge start? No, which? Hold on, they say, hold on, pass on Molital.
Yeah.
know.
Yes, sir. Canyon.
So, call Rona, so Canyon Rock. And one time we get stuck up the road. And the whole I broke a come down there, so I was stuck over for the next side. One night we are come from up so.
Where do you drive?
Yeah, drive with a drive. I want to set in to go up one too. No, you know, so we did it till the end of concert out there. You showed up the council and sort out and they come through. Yeah, so Silver Hill Bridge is with there now. Road clear up so far, you know. You can see a lot of debris and them something and the tree them hang over the road on you did I see. Most of that gone. And thing. So officially in a Silver Hill Bridge. See, I got to the bridge now. Yeah. Lord man Philip. Gig. Yeah man, it's 2 man I walk like I signal them I look for. Up top. Walk on the foot. They walk. Alright. Right, that's a signal lane. When you see vehicle park, so where there a signal strong also too, you know. Yeah, strong right there, so I come my water, see Pata you today. Hey, come on for a signal, you know, brother. Yo, come on for a signal, man. Phone mode. And that me realize from me see you so kind of look away, me see I say signal, here all DJ get message, DJ. I want no view phone. Yes, sir. And that me realize, anyway, we are go up the road.
So, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, so them then I signal, the signal right there so. Yeah man, me stop there so say, me use the water. Right, them place are clear up DJ. You know, see, all the eruption them we see right there, so gone. Yeah, man, them are clean road, man. Them place are clean, cause couple days after this time, well, maybe about a week, and we come up here, so did stay, but they clear up now, man. Alright, see tractor road, yeah. Tractor the right as a road, so. Alright, so them a call me up there. Yeah, man. So, progress are going. Them are up on the road. Road are clean up. Plymouth up here, so name Plymouth. Plymouth. Philip a come on about there. Yeah, so as you can see so far, they might clear up the road, so maybe when we pass back, little later from now, all that so good all clear up one thing. Yeah man, but that good look so far. Trust me. That's why I got to take a little time though. Right here, so the road they block off, clear. As you can see, no water in the road. No water in the road. The place are clear. Yeah man, clear up road. Still have to move with caution, you know. See, up here, so they block off, see. No water on the road you know. Thing. Alright, so remember right here, so I show the high falls. It contributes a lot of water in the road. So now clear out. Yeah man, see? Clear out. As me that tell you say I want drain and light no cold, but yes, the water can run on the road, so you know, run on the road, so it's a good look. Yeah, so no water on the road, you know. Clear up one thing, you know, so it's a good look so far. So we just go further up and give you guys an update, so stay tuned. So up here, so not fully clear up yet. But, see tractor and clean up the road. So then I reach up here, so yeah man, up here, so which part of the road block is there? So up there, so clear you know. Water up on the road though. I don't know where the whole heap of water here come from. Alright, so that's how I go on. See? We will dig up there someone DJ. See? We will dig up right there so. 2 weeks ago we could walk right here so, but right now as you can see here so clear, this is the road to go up to Burnhamwood Primary School. Yeah, so you know 2 weeks ago so 2 weeks ago here so they block. So we just make a walk through and see what I go on. Actually car could have come up here but I don't know what to expect. So we just foot it. Yeah man. A lot of water on the road or so too. I just want to see if school I keep. Cause school start back Monday, so really and truly would want to see. But Biko can't come up here now man. How then that move like the Biko now can't come up here? Whole heap of water run off. I hope they say water run from. So somebody just passed by and tell us school is not in session. So the school now keep Burnhamwood School now keep, so we just head down back. So big up on yourself, stay tuned. So whoa, I think go past the car see midfield. Oh, that kind of mash up here. We're currently at Wakesville. Yeah, the road break off, so we're going to show you guys a close up of what's taking place around here. Yeah man, so this bridge, see, that's why them say, you know, what them say? What them say, you know, for dash, you know, for dash all for new. Because this, at the bridge, then they actually condemn before, and see it there now. I them actually have to use because the road where them claim to say them make, I break off down there so now. And look, The bridge we not supposed to dip on. It will dip on now, see? So them want to go on there, so. Yeah, man. So that go on now. As you can see, road break off. The tractor just clearing that. Maybe he just going to dump it up. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but that may assume. Your son not even see you for me there, you know.
We all have a part one day.
Yes, we all have a part one day. See? Nice, beautiful river. But this river here is not a big river.
Spring.
Is it a spring? Yeah, man. So, tractor at work. Yeah, man. So, this is the road, as I say, where them actually build. Because they never want to put on that bridge here. People serious and I will go wake up so catch water. That was that. Water is life. Just want to say big up to each and everyone for watching this video. You know what I mean? Enough respect in every aspect. Do remember to like this video. Big up on yourself. Stay tuned. Again, enough respect to all my new subscribers. Them. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? Stay locked in and clocked into this channel. Up top.